Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create divider blocks in your Shopify checkout pages. So, in order to appear the checkout page in much more organized way, each sections to be to be placed in an organized way with this divider. So let's see how we can create similar divider blocks in four different sections. So here the shipping method and the payment are not like separated with the divider block. So let's try to create a divider block here. So let's get started. Before getting to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, I'm using checkout extension Ninja app, which is available from the Shopify app store. You can either download it from the, otherwise I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. So you can just check it out. A reminder that this kind of customization will be available only for the Shopify Plus members. After the installation, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go to the blog section. Now you can click on create new blog. There are some default templates on different blogs available here. You can just go through this, and if you want, you can add this to the checkout. Otherwise, you can close it and click on add block. Now we have to search for the divider block. Yeah. Now the divided block comes and we have added this to the checkout. And first thing, you have to give a proper title so that I can easily identify this from my list of rules, and so that I'm giving the block name as the divider block itself. And if you have any conditional visibility, then you can just enable this. And there are multiple conditions showing up here in this list. You can go through this and select any if you want. Then what happens when you choose any condition is this block will be available only when the specific condition is met. So if you want the block to be appear always, then you can just disable this and click on divider block. There are no additional setting for this block type, so just click on done and save it. Make sure that the status is active. Okay, and after saving it, you can just get you will be getting some block ID from here, and you can just click on open checkout editor page. And we have to add our custom block to the checkout like this, and we have to paste our block ID which we have copied earlier. I will show you, like, yeah, here we will be having our block ID. Now we have to paste this block ID to it here. Now you can see that the custom block has been created here. Now land on the app section. Now we have to place this block or this divider block to the shipping method or payment section. So let's drag this. Yeah, let's drag this. Yeah, so that the shipping method has appeared in a different section with two dividers. So that's how you can just see some divider blocks at the checkout page. Now let's save it. And now let's test this up in our online store. So this is our online store. Let's try to land on the checkout page. Now you can see that the shipping method is placed at a different section with two divider blocks. So that's how you can create a divider block at your checkout page very easily. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in our online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.